I've been waiting to share this with you. Sometimes a good story just finds you, and you are fortunate enough to have a part in it. And sometimes it reminds you not only of who you are, but also what you might have been if someone hadn't stepped in and rescued you. I think some of you know exactly what I mean. I'm about to do some final tests on this beautiful featherweight. But it wasn't always this beautiful. It has a story. So let's go back and start at the beginning. It was early May this year when a viewer contacted me. They had made a discovery in the trash compactor at their apartment complex. Before they were going to run the compactor, they noticed, back in the back, a black box. So, they decided to check it out. They rescued the box from the trash compactor, and to their surprise, they found a sewing machine inside. After researching the model, they reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in having the machine. After several conversations, I was happy to take the machine. It shipped all the way across the country to me. I couldn't wait to get an up-close look at it for the first time. The first thing I noticed when I unwrapped the box was that the case had engraving on it. And I won't share any names for privacy's sake, but it was an anniversary gift from Dad to Mom, 1953. Part of this machine's story. I'll never know exactly why this machine was put in a trash compactor, but as I started to take it out of the box, I could see things like the wiring was damaged and rotted away. It was missing things like the bobbin case. Even the bobbin case base wasn't actually in the machine like it should be. The cosmetic condition of the machine wasn't much better. At first, I didn't know whether I would keep this machine for parts or if I'd do something else with it. Months passed. I was busy with other sewing machines and just life in general. Then I met Marie from Promethean sewing machines. She painted sewing machines. We decided together that this machine that was rescued from a trash compactor would be our first joint venture. And that's how this machine became Trash to Treasure. So we met in person and I gave her all the pieces that needed to be painted. The new color and design were totally chosen by Marie. As she worked, she kept me updated through pictures every step of the way. Her work is beautiful. What an artist. As I start sewing these final test stitches, my heart just kind of jumps at the thought of the new life it's going to have with someone else. It works beautifully. It does exactly what it should now, what it was made to do. Looking back to when I first opened up the box, even I didn't know this would turn into a working piece of art. Nothing else like it anywhere in the world, ever. And there never will be another. Kind of sounds like you and me, doesn't it? As I inspect its beautiful new paint, I can see it's not perfect. But neither am I, so I kind of appreciate that all the more. Rescued by some caring hands and given a new chance to do what it was made to do. I'd really like to thank the viewer, Sean, who thought of me when he found this machine. because of you, this sewing machine has much more of a story left to tell. So Sean, thank you. While I've enjoyed my time with this unexpected machine so much, I know that my part in its story is over. Now that it's been fully restored, it's time for it to go to someone else for the rest of its story. Maybe you will have a part in it. Who knows? So I will be listing this machine for sale on my website soon. You can check the description box below for the exact date and time. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys again really soon. Bye.